Good morning, students. Today again we are starting with the chapter 3 of English literature, that is Ranji's Wonderful Bat, where we are learning the story of a boy. We were discussing about a boy, Ranji, who used to play cricket. The writer of the story is Ruskin Bond, and the theme of the story is physical activities and sports. So in the previous class we discussed that how Ranji came on the ground as he was the last good batsman in the sequence. After the captain of the team, school team, Suraj, was declared out by the umpire. When Ranji came to the field, when he came on the pitch to play for his school team, he was very much determined, he was very much willing to score good. We knew that 60 runs were there to win the match. So he was very much determined that he would play well, he would really score some good runs for his team. But what happened? He could not face even the first ball by the fast bowler of the opposite team, and he too was declared out by the umpire. And he again went back to the tool shed like Suraj. So what happened next? Let's find out. The match was won by the visiting team. The visiting team means the other team who was doing the bowling. Never mind, said Suraj, patting Ranji on the back. Then there came one player, Suraj, and he patted on the back of the Ranji and he says, never mind, that it's okay, it happens in the game. Someone will win the game and the other will lose the game. You will do better next time. You are out of form just now, that's all. He tried to encourage, he tried to motivate Ranji. For that he said that it's okay. You will do better in some other game, maybe in the next match. It is just like that you are not in the form. Not in the form means maybe you must have not practiced well, that's why you are not able to play the game that you usually used to play. Because we learned that Ranji had scored a lot of runs in some minor matches. So how come that for the past 2 matches, now including this, there were 3 matches where he could not score well. We learned that in the past 2 matches, his highest score was 12 runs, and then in this match he scored 0. So the highest was still 12 runs only in the past 3 matches. But their cricket coach was sterner. Means the captain of the school team encouraged him. He said it's okay that if you could not play well in today's match, but his cricket coach was not the same. He was not the same kind of person. He was sterner. Sterner means less forgiving. The word S-T-E-R-N-E-R. Less forgiving means if you are doing a mistake, he is not going to forgive you easily. That was the kind of coach. You will have to make more runs in the next game, he warned Ranji, or you will lose your place in the side. He warned Ranji that now it is for sure that you have to score some good runs in the next match, otherwise you will be out of the team. I will not allow you to play any further match in the team if you are not going to score something good in the next match. Avoiding the other players, Ranji walked slowly homewards. Now, since he was already upset that he could not score something, even he scored nothing, he scored 0, in the match, so he was already upset. And above all, his team coach said that if he will not score good in the next match, so he will be out of the team. That's why he was very disappointed. So he avoided all the other players who may be discussing, who may be talking about the match, and he started walking towards his home. His head down, his hands in his pocket, and while he was walking towards his home, his head was down. Why? Because he was feeling very depressed and his hands were there in his pocket. He was very upset. He had been trying so hard and practicing regularly, but when an important game came along, he failed to make a big score. And why he was very much disappointed, why he was very much upset? Because he really practiced hard. He practiced regularly so that he can do something good in an important match like this. But he failed. When you really try hard for something and you are not able to achieve, you feel very upset. When you actually not tried, when you did not give a chance much for something and you are not getting that thing, then it's okay. But when you are very much willing to do something, you practiced hard, you tried hard, you put all your hard work, and even after that you could not achieve that thing, then obviously you are very much upset. So same was with Ranji, that finally when the day came, he could not score. It seemed that there was nothing he could do about it. Now he was feeling like no matter as much as he practice, as much as he play, he cannot be a good player. He can never be a good cricket player. But he loved playing cricket. It's okay that he could not perform well was one thing, but that is not going to influence his love for the game of cricket. He still loves playing cricket. And he could not bear the thought of being out of the school team. And it was very, very difficult for him to think himself out of the school team. He cannot bear this. On his way home, he had to pass the clock tower. He often stopped at Mr. Kumar's sports shop to chat with the owner or look at all the things on the shelves: footballs, cricket balls, badminton, rackets, hockey sticks, balls of various shapes and sizes. So when he used to go back to his home, he had to pass to a clock tower, and there is a shop, a sports shop, Mr. Kumar's sports shop, and he often stopped there to chat, to have a conversation, to have a discussion with the owner of the shop, and to look the things around which were available at the shop: the hockey sticks, the badminton rackets, the cricket bats, the balls which are used in various other games, the different sizes and shapes of the balls, because he loves the sports. He was a sports person. Ranji was a sports person. So he enjoys watching at all these things. It was a wonderland where Ranji usually liked to linger. Wonderland means the place where Ranji really liked to spend his time, lingered. What is the meaning of linger? The word is Linger. Linger means to remain in a place longer than expected. when you love to be at some place so much that you never want to leave that place, or you usually stay at that place longer than expected. So that is linger. But this was one day when he did not feel like stopping. But today he was so depressed, he was so upset that he did not like to stop at that shop to have any kind of discussion or conversation with Mr. Kumar. He looked the other way and was about to cross the road when Mr. Kumar's voice stopped him. Means he did not even look at the shop or the Mr. Kumar, and he was about to cross the road. But Mr. Kumar saw him and he called him. Mr. Kumar's voice stopped him. So when he heard the voice of Mr. Kumar, when he heard that Mr. Kumar was calling him, he stopped there. Hello Ranji, off in a hurry today? And why are you looking so sad? When Mr. Kumar looked at Ranji, so at that time one can easily read the expression on his faces. So first he greeted him, hello Ranji, and then he asked, are you in a hurry today that you did not come to my shop, or you did not come to greet me or wish me even? And why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so upset? So Ranji had to stop and say namaste. Now when Mr. Kumar called him, then Ranji had to stop and he also greeted him by saying namaste. He couldn't ignore Mr. Kumar, who had been so kind and helpful, always giving him advice on how to play different kinds of bowling. Means he was the person to whom Ranji could not avoid because he respected him so much. And why did he respect him? Because Mr. Kumar was always being so kind and helpful to him. He gave him so many advices that how to play a good game of cricket, how to face the different kinds of bowling. Because Ranji was a batsman, so he should know how to face the different kinds of bowling. And Mr. Kumar gave him so many advices. Mr. Kumar had been a state player once and had scored a century in a match against Tanzania. Now this is about the Mr. Kumar that once upon a time, long back, he was a state player, and once he scored a century in a match which was played against the team of Tanzania. Now he was too old for first class cricket, but he liked encouraging young players and he thought Ranji would make a good cricketer. But at this age, at the age of Mr. Kumar, he was too old to play the first class cricket, means a good cricket. He was not able to play at this age, but still he likes to encourage the young players, the one who are playing, the one who are trying to be in the team, the one who are practicing. He always likes to encourage those players. And for Ranji, what he thinks that one day he will be a good cricketer, that Ranji would make a good cricketer. What's the trouble? He asked as Ranji stepped into the shop. Lost the game today? Now Mr. Kumar asked him as Ranji entered the shop. He stepped into the shop. Mr. Kumar asked him, what's the trouble? What happened? Did you lose a game today and that's why you are looking so upset? Ranji felt better as soon as he was inside the shop. See, this was the kind of influence a place has on a person. That Ranji likes to spend his time so much there that even though he was very much upset, but as soon as he entered, as soon as he stepped into that shop, he felt better. Mr. Kumar was so friendly, even the sports goods seemed friendly. the bats and the balls and the shuttlecocks all seemed to want to be helpful. Now, Mr. Kumar was very friendly to Ranji, and when Ranji used to visit that shop, he seen that all the things that were kept there, the bats, the ball, the shuttlecocks, all the sport goods seemed him very friendly. Why? Because he loves sports. The one who loves listening to the music, he loves the song. Wherever you listen, you feel good. The one who loves to read the book, then he will feel good at a library. So it depends on the choices or the hobbies or the liking of a person. So when he entered the shop, he felt like all these goods, all these sports good even wants to help him. We lost the match, said Ranji. Now Ranji told him what happened, that we lost the match means the school team lost the match. Never mind, said Mr. Kumar. Where would we be without losses? There wouldn't be any games without them. No cricket or football or hockey or tennis. No caroms or marbles. No sports shop for me. Anyway, how many runs did you make? So when Ranji told him that the team lost the match, Mr. Kumar said the same thing that was said by the school captain Suraj. Never mind, that it's okay, it happens. Where would be without losses means if we are playing the games, one day or the other day we will lose the game. It's not necessary that every time whenever we are playing we will always win. There won't be any game, be it hockey, tennis, carom, football or any game. The loss will always be there, and if not so, then no sports shop for me. And then again he asked Ranji that what was your score? How many runs did you score in that match?